Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistal. This is the video in which we will mainly focus on highlights, midtones and shadows. I have cropped my reference image to the extent of the portion we are gonna complete today. Okay, so we have started with the HB pencil, not holding it too close to the lid. Basically, I use ivory paper so when we do shading, it gives a good texture to the drawing. Gradually, we will move to 4B and block the areas that are dark. Now use a soft brush to blend all the layers that you have created. To draw this, I used grid method for the first time and it turned out really well. When we look at it, 90% of the right side of the face is covered with shadows. So we can directly jump to 6B or 8B to shade the first layer. To shade the hair that's on the right side, we have to use the darkest pencil available with us. So that can be a charcoal pencil, a carbon pencil or simply a graphite pencil. I have used Staedtler EE pencil, that's a carbon pencil. You can use the same grade for shading eyebrows. Also using the same pencil to cover the iris. For initial layers, we will use HB pencil and 4B pencil for second layer. The upper portion of the nose has highlights, so use only 2 layers of HB pencil and then blend it. Having patience is very important to create a realistic drawing. Even here we will use the darkest pencil to shade the shadows. Use kneadable eraser to create the highlights. Similarly, we will shade the right eye and the areas around it. Remember to move layer-wise light to dark to achieve realistic skin texture. Using 4B and a filbert brush to match the skin tone. We will use 4B to shade the lips and a blending stump to blend it. The lower lip is lighter than the upper lip, so we will use HB pencil to shade it. And again using blending stump. Now to create moustache, we will add a base layer of 4B and then blend it. Then we will use the darkest pencil to draw the individual hair. Remember not to go always with a dark pencil for creating moustache, for every reference image is different. We will carefully observe our reference image and go in the direction of the hair. At least work hard till you create the hair. Hair makes a lot of difference to your portrait. Now shading the areas below lips using a dark pencil. Now similarly we will shade the rest of the mid-tone areas. We will do half of our blending work by just using pencils in layers. As we can see, there is a lot of highlights on the left hand side of the face. We will use kneadable eraser to lighten them. Repeating the same process for beard as we did for moustache. Now after shading the ear, we will move to hair. We will use HB pencil to draw the light outline of the shape of the highlights on the hair. We will use the darkest pencil to shade the shadow areas on the hair. Move in the direction of the hair and also use Tombow mono eraser to create highlights. So that's all in this first part. I hope it helped you. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this and seeing you in my next video. Thank you.